Hello and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. Today we will be cooking macaroni and cheese. Make sure that you have your pasta and let's get started with this cheesy creation. You're going to start by boiling 4 cups of water. I did season mine with about a cupful of chicken bouillon. If you have chicken stock, feel free to boil your pasta in the chicken stock. And also make sure that you stir it so it does not stick. You're going to cook your elbow macaroni according to the package directions. Also give it a stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking. I also added some salt to my water when it was cooking for additional seasoning. Once your pasta is ready, you're going to remove it, you're going to drain it and just set it aside. In that same pot, go in with 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of flour. You're going to cook this for a minute or so just to get that raw flour taste out. Once you've done that, start adding your half and half. Make sure everything is room temperature. This creates for a creamy sauce. Just whisk that together. If it gets thick, continue to add your half and half until you get to your desired consistency. This is also known as a bechamel, which is simply a roux, flour, butter, and half or heavy whipping cream or milk. You can also add your cream cheese at this point. Your cream cheese will also make your sauce thick, so you can also continue to add some room temperature half and half to get to that desired consistency that you want. Now we can start adding our cheese. I've chosen to add sharp cheddar cheese and pepper jack cheese. I wanted white cheddar, but the store didn't have it, so I said, why not do pepper jack? Let me know what's your favorite cheese to put in your macaroni and cheese. If it's still thick, continue to just add that room temperature half and half until you get to the desired consistency that you want your macaroni and cheese to have. At this point, we're going to season our cheese sauce. You can do salt and pepper. Some people do mustard and cayenne, garlic powder and onion powder. Totally up to you. Now we're going to create an individual mac and cheese. Simply take a small bowl, your cooked macaroni and the cheese sauce. Make sure you mix all of that together, and then you're going to place that into a small buttered dish, and you're going to do an individual serving and make sure you spread it out evenly. Once you spread it out evenly, you're going to go in and garnish the top with your cheese. Again, I'm using sharp cheddar and pepper jack cheese. You're going to go inside the oven for a few minutes until it's melted. If you like this video, please subscribe. The end result will be delicious macaroni and cheese. It was very good. The pepper jack cheese really made a difference. It is creamy, delicious, mouth-watering. Make sure you try this. The pepper jack and cheddar really was delicious together. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. Until next time, bye-bye.